Imagine waking up in a world where artificial intelligence decides the colors of your holiday ad, your morning news, and maybe even what kind of coffee you drink. Sound futuristic? Well, that world isn't far away, it's happening right now. Hello, and welcome back to AI Mank, your weekly deep dive into the most exciting, challenging, and occasionally terrifying corners of artificial intelligence. If you're looking for a channel that cuts through the hype and delivers the real scoop on what's driving the next big wave in technology, you're in the right place. Every week, we track the biggest players, from OpenAI and Google to Meta and Anthropic, and translate the complex research papers and massive corporate moves into actionable insights for you. So hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a single step as we journey toward AGI together. Today, you'll discover 17 powerful AI breakthroughs from the last week shaping our work, creativity, security, and even our sense of control. There's excitement, a dose of fear, and just enough surprise to disrupt your week in the best way. Make sure to watch till the end, because the final story could change how you think about your own future in an AI world. Do you trust AI enough to hand it your annual holiday greeting or, worse, your shopping list? Let's find out. 1. OpenAI's $38 billion compute deal with Amazon. The arms race for AI dominance just took a quantum leap. OpenAI secured a jaw-dropping $38 billion compute deal with Amazon. That's not just pocket change, it's an infrastructure revolution. For those in Europe or India wondering what this means, imagine thousands of supercomputers humming just to train the next generation of AIs. The pressure's on. Who will innovate faster, the hardware kings or the model makers? With that much computing firepower, couldn't they finally fix autocorrect? 2. OpenAI walks back. Federal backstop comments. OpenAI's CEO recently backtracked on earlier proposals for a U.S. federal backstop on AI regulation. The reversal, it signals both uncertainty and optimism about future oversight. Should we feel relieved that the world's top AI company wants to collaborate and not just dominate, or should we be worried? What happens when the referees hesitate mid-game? Speaking of games, who's racing ahead in the AI adoption game? 3. Wharton AI study shows surging enterprise adoption. According to Wharton's latest survey, enterprise adoption of AI is exploding. Companies across the US and Europe report massive jumps in deployment, not just experimentation. The implications? If your business isn't learning AI, you might already be behind. The race isn't just global, it's in your office right now. When your HR manager starts quoting machine learning, you know something's up. 4. Create on-brand marketing campaigns with Pomeli. Meet Pomeli, a new tool leveraging AI for laser-focused, on-brand marketing. From New Delhi to New York, brands now build campaigns in minutes with messaging that's both authentic and tailored. The urgent question: how long before creative agency work becomes optional? 5. Former XAI researcher targets 1B for Human First AI Lab. A former XAI researcher has announced ambitious plans: raise $1 billion for a Human First AI Lab. The twist? Instead of pure automation, focus is on human values and ethics at the core of new AI systems. In a world obsessed with scale, this is a welcome pause for reflection. Will investors choose ethics over speed? And what happens when one of the world's biggest brands gives AI the keys to the advertising kingdom? 6. Coca-Cola doubles down on AI holiday ads. Coca-Cola is back, deploying AI to design its entire holiday ad campaign. Nostalgic polar bears and classic jingles, now reimagined by algorithms. Will consumers notice? Will they care? For global marketers, this is the ultimate test. Can AI outcharm a century of tradition? 7. Turn Microsoft Copilot into your personal tutor. Microsoft Copilot isn't just for coding. Now it can tutor you in new subjects, turning any professional into a lifelong learner. Employees from London to Mumbai are getting AI-powered upskilling on demand. That's not just cool, it's a competitive edge. Does Copilot also handle your laundry? 8. New benchmark tests. AI's freelance automation. A new global benchmark now rates AI on its ability to replace freelance work, from copywriting to design. For freelancers and companies alike, the stakes are high. How much of your work can be automated, outsourced, or, gulp, obsolete in the blink of an update. 9. Google's space-based AI data centers. Here's one for the space geeks. Google is literally launching AI data centers into orbit. Why? To boost cloud reliability and global reach. Soon your AI requests might travel through space before landing in your inbox. Beam me up, Google. And in the race for the best AI-powered shopping assistant, sparks are flying. 10. Perplexity and Amazon Spar. Over agentic AI shopping. Amazon and Perplexity are vying to create AI agents that do your shopping, anticipate your needs, and deliver results with scary accuracy. Is it brilliant or a little unsettling? Debates are swirling from San Francisco to Berlin. 11. Anthropic commits to preserving retired models. Anthropic has pledged to preserve and responsibly steward older AI models instead of deleting them. Why should you care? Because the lessons and failures of past AIs shape the safe systems of the future. 12. Apple taps Google's Gemini for Siri overhaul. Apple is rumored to be integrating Google's Gemini AI into Siri, aiming for a digital assistant that's finally as smart as you hoped. What happens when two tech giants merge their secret sauce? We may find out soon. Will Siri finally understand your accent? 13. Ex-Meta designers launch StreamRing AI wearable. Former Meta designers unveiled StreamRing, a wearable that lets you control AI with gestures. Your hands could soon become your new mouse. Science fiction meet real life. 14. Edison scientific debuts. Cosmos AI scientist meet Cosmos, an AI scientist that can form hypotheses and test experiments, potentially accelerating breakthroughs in medicine and chemistry. The urgent question, will your doctor's next cure be discovered by a computer? 15. Kimi K2 thinking takes open source to new level. The open source movement receives a major boost with Kimi K2 thinking, a toolkit making advanced AI accessible to everyone. Innovation just left the lab and entered your living room. 16. Create polished presentations with Kimi K2 slides. Polished presentations are now one prompt away. Kimi K2 slides lets anyone, from students in Delhi to CEOs in London, generate stunning decks in seconds. The future, creativity at the speed of thought. 17. Microsoft sets up new superintelligence team. Microsoft launches its superintelligence team, a global coalition set to tackle AI's hardest problems: think ethics, safety, control. Will this be the group that draws the line on runaway AI? 18. Adobe's vision for the AI era. Adobe unveiled its plan for an AI-driven creative ecosystem. The dream? Seamless collaboration across continents powered by intuitive generative tools. 19. Adobe Firefly. The all-in-one creative AI studio. Adobe Firefly blends image, audio, and even 3D asset generation in a single tool. The creative process will never be the same. Are you ready, or are you still editing clip art from 2005? Somewhere, a designer just clutched their mouse in fear. This wave of AI breakthroughs is more than a trend. It's a transformation. As these technologies sweep from Seattle to Singapore, one question remains. Will we lead AI, or will it lead us? Don't blink, because the next AI shift is already in the works. So, what should we trust it with next? Our dreams or our decisions? If you want to ride the AI wave, subscribe now, hit the bell, and get the latest first. Remember, those who adapt win.